Guys, cold weather's here. You know what time it is. No power. No power at all. But that ain't a problem. I got my Ava Power with 4,000 peak current from the TikTok shop. So let's go ahead and jump off this car. And we do have full battery. As you can see, got the clamps connected. Now we're just going to connect it to the jump box. This does come with a light, by the way. Hold that down. Boom. Look at that. That's a bright light. It's also a power bank, so you can charge your phone, any appliance. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump off the car. All right, guys, we got it hooked up. Green light means go. So let's go ahead and jump it off. Easy. Easy. Like I said, guys, y'all need a jump box. Go get it. Click the link on the video.